Hey, welcome back. We are here again. I am going to be reviewing this Huda Beauty Neon palette. Today's gonna be the first day I use this. I haven't actually touched it since I did this Sephora haul. First time on camera. Don't know why I did that. I'm not really big on the neon color. I'm gonna make a look with this palette. So I'm gonna use the palette now. No, I'm not. I'm gonna do my face first. I really like this Spotlight Primer by Physicians formula, so I'm just gonna use that again. I don't know if you guys can see, I have glitter all over my face, chunks of glitter. Where I was playing with some glitter eyeshadows for fun. I got glitter everywhere. Getting it off really sucked. I spent probably a good half hour scrubbing my face. Probably not a good idea. So I'm just gonna pretend like it's a part of it. If you want to get glitter and you just want to put it on your face first, I feel like that's gonna add to it. Let's do some foundation. I'm gonna use the CC Cream by It Cosmetics. Feels like butter if you were to smear butter on your face. Might be a little light, but I'm probably going to use a lot of bronzer. Probably should have used a more matte foundation given it is so hot in here right now. And it's probably just going to melt off my face by the time we get through this video. Super looking forward to that. Let's use some concealer. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. Do you guys have this stuff? Does this happen? This is gross. Also, I haven't cleaned it. Whatever. I feel like the Shape Tape just gets rid of any texture on my skin. You know what? No, when I look close, I still got texture. Because I'm practically dripping with sweat right now, I just want to set this with powder. As much powder as I can on my face. Grab a lip balm, any lip balm. Unless you like the foundation lip thing, I'm gonna use the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. I was gonna use a cream contour to contour my nose. I don't know if you can do it after you've powdered, but we're gonna try and cream contour my nose after I powdered. Could be a bad idea. I'm gonna use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. We're gonna just bronze in places. Feeling bronzy. I'm gonna use the Jouer Medium to Deep Duo Contour Bronze palette to contour my face a little bit further. I'm gonna use this lighter shade. A lot of bronze, but not too much. Now that I feel like I've been laying in the sun for a while, let's do something else. I'm gonna use my Ombre blush by NYX, Mauve. Still can't say it, whatever this is. Let's highlight the face. I'm gonna take the Milani Afterglow highlight Strobelight. I'm gonna use the Precisely My Brow in shade 2.5, followed by the 3D Brow Tones in 2. It's so hot in here. I didn't put any extra powder under my eyes or anything, and given I'm sweating so much, I probably should. I'm not really going anywhere after this. If you want to add extra powder, let's use the palette now. Let's get into those neons. We're gonna use this really light orange color in the middle. Use that as a transition shade. This is cute. A cute mango color in my crease. The further I go, the worse it potentially could get, but I feel like I need to use more of these shades. Well, we're just gonna take the next orange color, and I just don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe I should have googled some neon inspiration before I started. Maybe that would have been a good idea. So far these two are pretty blendable and very pigmented. Really like it, and they are true to shade. I like that. This color's looking good. It's not mango anymore. I don't know where the mango went. Not really sure where it's gone at all. I don't know how to describe this color, but it's something else. Maybe I'll try the pink out. Yeah, we're gonna use that bottom pink shade. We're gonna put it on the lid. Wow. I decided the pink wasn't enough with just a regular brush, so I decided to wet my brush. That's fun time. That took a turn, didn't it? We're now gonna take this shimmery pink color there and just stick that in the center and see what that does. I'm gonna wet my brush first. Well, that produced a lot of glittery fallout, like the majority of the glitter eyeshadows that have ever existed. I was definitely going for the crying glitter look. Let's try and apply some of that glitter with my finger and see if that's any better. It looks really glittery in the pan, like big chunks of glitter, but when you put it on your eye, it looks metallic. I'm gonna go back into this one down here, and I'm gonna put that underneath. I'm gonna pop some of that first shade on the inner corner here. Then lastly, go in that super bright pink and stick that on the outer corner as well. Let's grab some inner corner highlight. And I just used the Milani highlight. Not super visible, but I feel like it will do. Let's go into eyeliner and mascara. I'm gonna use my Maneater liner. I have tried other, like the Morphe liquid liner. It's a felt tip pen. Didn't like that. Also tried the roller liner by Benefit. Not the biggest fan of those ones. They're a felt tip pen and they kind of just drag and get stuck. I don't know if my eyes are just super wrinkly. Like maybe I just have wrinkly eyes. Maneater one goes on a lot smoother, so I think I'm gonna stick to that for now. Maybe I'll keep retesting these and see how we go. Okay, the eyes are done. That's probably the longest part of all of it. Doing my eyes. I actually quite like it. I feel like I'm a neon sign. This is actually a really awesome palette. I feel like I want to wear neon everywhere now. Like a lot of neon all the time. Not really sure what lip color to do. I feel like I want to go something bright because I've got these bright eyes. I can do this one, or this one. Maybe we'll try this because it's a pink and it might go well with the eyes. This is a little too much. Wasn't exactly what I was going for. So I think I'm gonna try one of the others. How do I get this up? If any of you really like that and wanna have that kind of color, this is the L'Oreal Paris 434 shade. The one that looks super pink. I'm gonna try the MAC Tropical Tonic. Good try by me, but no. A little too orange. Let's try again. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Radiate. I'm actually not sure what this is. It's their liquid lip. I'm only gonna dab it onto my lips. Okay, so fingers is definitely the ideal way to apply. I feel like my fingers are gonna look like this for a while now. This, I don't mind. A deep pink color. It does have a tiny hint of orange in it. I feel like we are pretty much done here. Let's just spray my face with some setting spray. I don't know why I need this much setting spray when I'm not going anywhere. So this is it. This is the final look. I'm actually quite liking the eyes. I'm really impressed with this palette. I'm so glad I purchased it, even though I initially purchased it for the look of the packaging. I want to go somewhere now that I look like this. Maybe I'll hit up Safeway and buy some stuff. As far as the neon palette goes, the shades are nice. They blend really well. They are super pigmented, go on the eyes as they are in a palette. The shimmer shades, there's a bit of fallout. Looks like glitter or metallic on the eyes, I guess, which I like. I feel like I found a new love for neon. Definitely adding neons to my regular everyday makeup look rotation. Overall, definitely would recommend. If you like this look, let me know in the comments. Follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you should subscribe. I'm gonna go wash this off after I get a Safeway. Thanks for hanging out. Bye!